Hi, my name is Andrea. I'm with Mesa County Libraries, and today I'm going to show you how you can do some metal embossing at home, hopefully with tools and supplies you might already have. So first off, you're going to need a piece of aluminum. I'm using a disposable aluminum pan today, so this is a great way to recycle stuff. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need a straight edge like a ruler. You're going to want some tape, a towel or something soft. I'm using a blanket myself. And then you're going to want to have several different kinds of writing implements like pencils or markers or pens. You just want to have a good variety so you can play around when you're doing this. Then you're also going to want some black acrylic paint and a paintbrush. And then you're going to want to have some disposable paper towels or tissues as well. So that's our supplies. Let's get started. Cut out the bottom of the aluminum pan, careful of the sharp edges that you're creating as you do this, and then go ahead and recycle the sides of the pan. Then use a ruler or the similar straight edge and a pen to draw lines around the outside of the piece, pressing firmly with the pen. This is going to create a small groove, and then you're going to use that to fold over the sharp edges of the foil. Then you're going to flip it over. This way you're less likely to cut yourself on any sharp edges. The next step is you're going to have to decide whether you want to freehand a design or to trace a design. I personally like to trace, so I'm going to tape a design on top of the foil. You're welcome to draw your own design. I'm using a design based off of a very famous painting by Paul Klee called Cat and Bird, made in 1928. It is currently hanging in the MoMA at New York. Once you have it taped onto the foil, you're going to place it on top of that soft object like a blanket. Then you're going to begin tracing your design with something like a pen or pencil. When you're done tracing, go ahead and remove the design. Then you're going to once again trace the impressions that you've left behind on the foil with that pen or pencil. Now you're going to flip your foil over and use something rounded, like the end of a marker cap, to rub at the spaces in between the lines you've drawn if desired. This creates the embossed effect, which is going to be raised. When you're happy with your design, you are going to flip that foil back over, and then you're going to use a paintbrush to paint over the indented lines with the black acrylic paint. Then while the paint is still wet, you're going to use a paper towel or something similar to gently wipe the paint away. You don't want to rub too hard. One, you're going to bend your metal. Two, you're going to take away all the paint rather than leaving a little bit in the groove. So this should leave black paint in the grooves, creating high contrast. You can apply it over your entire piece or all of it. It's up to you. And then finally, you're going to go ahead and display your art. Thanks so much. I hope this inspires you to do some cool recycled art projects.
Once you finish your creation, upload a photo to social media of your completed project to share your work. DM us the photo or tag at Mesa County Lib in your post.